Still trying to figure out how to clean the black on the Honda Rancher. The black trim. This stuff here is called ice. It's made by turtle wax. We're gonna try it next. We're gonna try it right now. That stuff I used yesterday didn't work very good. This looks good. It's making it nice and black. Won't do nothing for those scratches. I wish it would cover them up, but it don't. Yeah, that's good product. You can see a difference. It's a lot blacker. It's almost as good as the stuff I used the first time. It might be as good. It makes them nice and shiny like new again. It's a Honda 2007 Rancher TRX 400 FGA.